These are Tifco's Tuff Swipes. Tuff Swipes are American-made, heavy-duty, pre-moistened, durable cleaning towels that clean the toughest contaminants. For a quick demonstration, I'll smear anti-seize on my hand and then reach for a perforated Tuff Swipe. A few quick wipes later, and my hands are left clean with no residue left behind. In fact, my hands are probably softer now than when I started this video. Tuff Swipes provide pumice-based hand cleaner performance without the mess and grit of pumice. But cleaning your hands is only part of the usefulness of Tuff Swipes. Tuff Swipes are also great for heavy-duty cleaning of products like grease and grime, anti-seize, tar, oil leaks and drips, ink, wax and waxy buildup, sealants, and much more. They are also great for cleaning surfaces after overspray messes, machine maintenance, or for keeping tools clean and ready for their next use. In this clip, the grime stays on the towel and does not simply get pushed around the surface. This is because Tuff Swipes are micro-textured. The textured surface collects and stores contaminants without redepositing them onto hands, clothes, or surfaces. One last feature of Tuff Swipes is the canister itself. When starting a new canister, push the pointed end of the cap through these crossed slots. Then, thread a towel into the pointed end of the cap. And then pull everything back through. Now, the wipe sticks up through the lid and is easily accessible. Tuff Swipes are portable one-step cleaning with no rinsing and no drying required. There's no overspray, no mixing, no pouring, and no trips away from a workstation to clean hands at the expense of productivity. Tuff Swipes are an easy, one-step, cost-effective cleaning solution. A case of 6 canisters of Tifco's Tuff Swipes is part number 9330. Each canister contains 82 10.5 by 12.25 inch wipes.